See how LabLab AI Hackathon winners utilize technologies from TruEra, Google Cloud, Vertex AI, Llama Index, Zilliz, and Intel to innovate in fields like immigration services, language accessibility, and educational tools. Our first place winner, TruEra, is an AI chatbot revolutionizing US immigration queries with accurate USCIS-indexed responses. Taking second place, Simplify AI is a web app that transforms complex English into plain English, enhancing accessibility. Third place goes to StudyBuddy app, an iOS application that improves learning experiences with advanced AI-driven study tools. A finalist, Huddle, is a professional networking app that functions like a matchmaking platform, pairing users based on their professional interests and facilitating video calls for direct networking. Another finalist, the Customer Chatbot API, is an AI-driven tool for upscale retail, enhancing shopping experiences with interactive conversations and personalized suggestions in fashion retail. Unlock the potential of AI with LabLab AI. Learn and build with us, and take your first steps into the world of artificial intelligence.